Howdy y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is M&R Productions 34, and this is Roll Drop Test with your boys, with your racist Legos fan, feller. Go ahead and let her rip. Oh, right into the black hole.
Right in the kisser.
Oh, right in the kisser.
This set took quite a bit of damage, so now we're gonna have to go rebuild it for the second drop.
We'll be right back.
Yeah. We need some room on the operation table. Okay,
are we all going to the hotel at like 12?
Stat.
That's piecing.
Alright, he's
cut this part out.
No, this is staying. This is
okay, what other gubs do
big
I have?
money.
What do we got? What do we got? This.
Oh, we're gonna need get the air, get the oxygen.
Okay, okay.
As you can see, we have reconstructed the face of Mrs. Albany. I don't know a good name to make up, so we have just reconstructed her face here, and she looks beautiful after being attacked.
We're almost done. We gotta get the oxygen. She can't breathe yet.
Lego Bob's in the waiting room, hoping that everything's gonna be okay in here.
Alright, okay. Okay, we got the oxygen. And
Oh,
you disconnected the oxygen.
We're in a firefight.
No, you stop.
Stop.
Pick that up.
Okay, we're almost good. We just gotta get it in more secure.
You pick that up again.
This is gonna be good. Okay, she'll make it. Oh
She'll
no.
make...
Oh no.
Sean's a terrible doctor.
Okay. Okay.
Just put her out of her misery now.
Okay, okay, we need like one more piece. 2 more pieces.
I could do it right now. I could put that in misery.
Okay.
Hurry, you got 10 seconds.
Okay,
just throw this on top. It'll make a good parachute.
Okay.
There.
Drop test in 10.
She's good. She's
9.
good. She's good.
It's beautiful. It's a girl.
How can you tell?
We are clear for takeoff. We have the oxygen and the propeller and the wheels. Here we go.
Oh god, here we go. I can't.
Alright, here we go.
No.
Here we go. We're flying in. We are clear for landing.
Okay, guys,
So
I'm gonna
here are the
finish up the
remnants.
video here.
It looks like
she
we
died.
could save her. We could save her if we tried. Look how still win the Grand Prix. There might be some debris in the way.
Sexy as ever.
Oh, that was the last chance. This is all that remains.
Just put it in a vase.
We're gonna bury it underground.
R.I.P. Hashtag R.I.P.
Bye.